Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel where we are about to tackle one of the most exciting aspects of interior designs, big wall decor. In this video, we will guide you through the world of oversized wall decorations and inspire you to make a bold statement in your living spaces. Go big or go home. Discover the power of large-scale wall decor pieces that can redefine the entire vibe of the room. We will show you how to use size to your adventure and create an unforgettable focal point. Artistic expression. Dive into the world of oversized artwork and sculptures that can turn into blank walls into galleries of creativity. Explore different artistic style and find the perfect piece to reflect your personality. Room transformation. Whether you want to elevate your room, dining area, living room, bedroom, or any other space, we will provide room specific big wall decor ideas that will leave a lasting impression. Nature's majesty. Explore the beauty of nature's inspired wall decor on a grand scale. From stunning landscapes to botanical wonders, we will help you bring the outdoors in. Mixing textures. Learn how to play with textures and materials to create depth and intrigue. We will discuss the impact of using wood, metal, fabrics, and more in your big wall decor. Lightning magic. Discover how to write lightning can enhance your big wall decor. From spotlights to accentuate artwork to ambient lighting for an overall warm glow. We have got lightning tips to share. Join us on this grand adventure as we explore the world of big wall decor and demonstrate how these statement pieces can transform your space into something extraordinary. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring